big. Hi, this is Steve again. Subject of today's video is the granny knot. This is probably the first knot that everybody ever learned to tie. I'll show you the knot. Basically, you just take a rope, act like you're turning the car on, put the rope through, and you've got the knot. Let's run it again real quickly. Just turn the car on, put the end through, and you've got your knot. Applications for this knot are not a lot because it's a very basic knot, but it's the quickest of all knots to tie. I mean, it's very simple to tie this knot. The thing that I find most useful with regard to this knot is if I have a rope and I'm trying to go a distance with this and around something, and I find that I have run out of rope and I need to join two ropes together. This is why I use the granny knot. Now I'm going to show you how to use this granny knot to tie two ropes together. I'm going to take the end of what I have and throw it out of the way and get my extra piece of rope, which is here, and I'm going to lay this rope right next to it. So we have two separate pieces of rope. I believe we can see that on the camera. If I take the first rope and put it around this rope and tie a granny knot here, and then do it again, same direction, I have two of these knots coming together here. Now I can come down to this end and tie again a granny knot in this end and one more, knots tied together. So basically I now have a set of two granny knots on each end. Then I would just slide the ropes apart and the granny knots will join together and create the strength that I need for the rope. Then when I'm all done with whatever the project was and I want to get everything back apart, I simply grab these two sides and these two sides, twist the rope, and the knots will come back apart again, just like I put them together. You can untie everything and start all over again, or have two separate ropes. But they will slide together, and they will bind and form just as tight a rope as if it was one single rope to begin with. Thank you very much.